Forget everything you know about bitter drinks, because Hungary took it to a whole new level. We came all the way to Budapest to try Hungarian cousin of Jägermeister that has been knocking out taste buds since 1700s.
So what do you get when you mix over 40 herbs with a secret 230-year-old recipe?
You get a Unicum. It's black, it's bold, it's herbal, and it's definitely not for the faint of tongue.
So let's find out if this legendary potion lives up to the hype.
I'm not sure if we're about to enjoy it, survive it, or if I start speaking fluent Hungarian.
So let's find out.
Let's go.
In the heart of Budapest, behind that unmistakable black bottle and its golden cross, lives a legend over 2 centuries in the making. A tale of healing, heritage, and the resilience of a family bound by secrets. Today we step inside that legacy, into the distillery where Unicum is still brewed with time-honored traditions and secret herbal alchemy. Join us inside the House of Unicum and discover why this bold Hungarian spirit is more than a drink. It's a legacy in the liquid form.
So we have arrived at the old distillery. We call this the Heart of Unicum because Unicum has been produced here since 1892. This is the only place where Unicum is made. Currently we are producing 6 types of Unicum: Unicum, Unicum Plum, Unicum Reserva, Unicum Barista, Unicum Treor, and Unicum Orange. Unicum itself is made out of more than 40 herbs and spices. These are just a few examples. Not all of these are part of the recipe, some may be. Of course, that's only known by members of the Zwack family. Right now that is Sándor Zwack, Isabella Zwack, and their mother Anne Marshall Zwack. Yeah, it was invented as a stomach medicine based on the family legend, and even today it's good for stomach problems, digestive system problems. It's not a medicine, but it has these medicinal effects. Now you could ask the question that how do we produce a drink that's based on a secret recipe? Answer is that the herbs and spices arrive to us in huge bags, like you can see up in the gallery, with a 6-number code on them. This way the workers here won't know what exactly they are pouring into the mixture. They just see that it's a code, it has to get inside the recipe, and so they won't find out what's the content of these bags. Now the herbs and spices arrive to us dried and grounded, so it's just a powder, so it's not easy to identify these ingredients. And just to be completely secure, there's also a pre-made mixture of herbs and spices that one of the Zwack family members import in, and they themselves pour into the mixture at the beginning of production. They are still physically involved in the process. Now, as I said, this is the only place where Unicum is made, and currently only 7 people work on the production. We have the pictures of them right here on the wall. They don't know the recipe. They are the ones who do it based on the code system I mentioned before, but they are allowed to the 1st, 2nd, 3rd floor, where the secret things happen. They can see into some portions of the secret, but they don't know the recipe to a full extent.
Cannot be leaked, right?
No, it cannot be. There are many theories that where did they hide the recipe itself, the Zwack family members, but we don't know if it's right here or in Esztergom, for example. Yeah, there are many theories. Now, if you look at that yellow map in the other corner, you can see we have to go really far to get all the herbs and spices that we need. Now, of course, based on the family legend, the story started in 1790. So, of course, they didn't have to travel that far for all the ingredients. They just produced a few liters of Unicum and then it grew exponentially throughout the years. If you look up there, you can see the modern technology used for the distillation. As I said, this is a much more advanced technology that they used in the old days. Now, unfortunately, I cannot show any more of this to you. As it says here, this is where the secret begins, so we can only go down to the cellar. Up there is the secret area only for the Zwack family members and the 7 people who work here. This cellar system was used as a shelter during World War II, during the bombings. Because it's a huge cellar, many people could be fit in here, could be safe here from the bombs during World War II. Well, the cellar system is 2,500 square meters. So 2,500 square meters, we have more than 500 barrels here. And all of them contain about 1.5 million liters of Unicum. It's Unicum or Unicum Plum, Reserva, 513 to be exact. You can see these barrels are huge, and we have the inscription Unicum 60 on them. It's because these are the barrels we use after distillation and extraction. This is where we pour the 2 liquids for the 3 months. Because of that, we get this black stuff, mainly inside of the barrel. This is black honey. It's in the barrel because of the aging, of course. It's a concentrated version of the drink that stays in the barrel because of the production. It's really good for us. It also provides us with darkish color and more characterized taste. Now, if we finish with one batch, we use the closed pipe system above to pour it to the next location, which is this, the huge wooden tank that can hold up to 40,000 liters of liquid. And this is where we mix it with the caramel, also made out of oak wood. So it's the same kind of wood, so we don't get any additional unwanted flavors. And of course, the mixing is done automatically. As I said, the whole system itself is really high-tech in this sense. 7 people use the technology to produce the drink, but the method is the same like in the old days. Now, as I said, these barrels for the production of Unicum 60, and they are around 50 years old, but there's one exception. This is the oldest and the biggest barrel that we have. It's been in service of Unicum since 1937, and this is the only barrel that survived World War II. Now, Unicum Reserva is special because we do the Unicum 60 part only in this barrel for 6 months, because there's a thick layer of black honey inside which gives it a stronger, more premium taste. And then we also age it with Tokai Asu, a special sweet white wine in barrels from Tokai for additional period. And because of that, the result is a 40% drink. It has the bitterness and spiciness of the Unicum, but the sweet wine is also dominant in taste. It has the taste of Christmas, like gingerbread and cloves, but it's spicy at the same time. Many people drink it like a whiskey or a cognac, maybe with ice cubes, just slowly sipping it, but you can also drink it like a shot. It really depends on what you like. So it's the original, and it's done, it's ready, it has everything in order to call it Unicum. It's just that it's unfiltered and straight from the barrel, which makes it a little bit more bitter, stronger. It will be different than the bottled version because it's straight from the barrel. It has a unique flavor to it.
Oh yeah. Nice and strong, nice herb flavors. There's a kick to it, for sure.
Would you say it's more bitter than the bottled version? Can you taste
It's
the
bitter.
difference?
I can definitely taste bitter, lots of herbs, and on my throat, the
burns.
warm. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's pretty good.
Okay, first time trying Unicum. Oh, very strong aroma. Wow. Wow, it's a lot stronger than I expected it to be.
Yeah. Like a medicine, really, in taste.
Like a medicine, but at the same time, a lot more pleasant.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, well, you can really taste the herbs and spices, the natural flavor of this one. Especially here in the cellar, unfiltered, it will be different than in the bottle.
Yeah, absolutely. I really can't describe this taste, the flavor, so you're gonna have to come here and try it for yourself.
So this is Unicum Plum. You can see the golden coloring on the barrels. It means that this is the barrel line for Unicum Plum. Special thing about this is that in the second period, we age it for 6 months, not 3 months, and with dried plums. So it's sweet, smooth, easy to drink. It has the same kind of herbs and spices that the previous one had. It's just that it's smoother, and it has less amount of alcohol in it, 34.5%.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's definitely smoother. I don't taste bitter at all, and I can taste plum, which is great.
This is also good in cocktails with soda, tonic, iced tea. Even vanilla ice cream could be a good choice for this, just to pour it on top. But usually people drink it on its own, ice cold, straight from the freezer, don't mix it with anything. And it's because it's smoother, you have to be careful with this one, because it's easier just to, drink a lot.
It goes to your head straight away, basically.
Just be careful.
Oh, the smells are almost the same. Yeah, a lot smoother, not so heavy on the throat. And actually the taste itself is very close, very similar. I guess it just takes the edge off of it. Yeah, very good.
Yeah, so this is Unicum Barista. Special thing about this is that we also age it for 6 months, just like with the plum, but with a 100% Arabica coffee extract. It doesn't have that much caffeine in it though. About 6 shots of this is 1 espresso, so you would have to drink a lot to stay awake. Straight from the barrel, it's like forest fruits and chocolate and coffee itself. And it has 34.5% of alcohol in it, so just like the plum.
Wow, for me, this is even better than plum. I love it. I could compare to espresso martini, right? If you think of an alcoholic beverage, it's really good.
Oh, you can immediately smell the coffee. Yeah. Yeah, coffee tones. And I think because of that, there is a little bit less of this herbal flavor to it. A little bit less. Also very smooth like the plum. Easy to drink. I think my favorite was plum so far.
Yes, also.
Yeah.
Oh.
Very good.
I know that alcohol and milk are like enemies if you drink, but one barista with a little bit of milk really works. So, or put it into tonic, or also ice cream or tiramisu. But as I said, on its own is usually how people drink it ice cold. Now this one will be the orange bitter, the orange version, the newest type of Unicum. Yeah, it came out at the end of last year. And it is aged with an orange distillated and extracted alcohol for 6 months. It's sweet and fruity, just like the plum, but not that sweet. The idea comes from that when the Zwack family members were living in Italy, they saw the Italians drink the original Unicum with ice cubes and a slice of orange. So that's how we should drink this one as well, or ice cold straight from the freezer.
Oh, it's lovely. It's lovely. You can taste right away the orange flavors, very smooth. Again, less bitter, not so much herby. Love it.
Oh, yeah, it's good. Oh, very good smell. Oh, that's actually very good smell. Oh. Oh, this it again comes back a little bit more kick, but yeah, very smooth. But it's a little bit stronger than the coffee and the plum. Again, I can feel it in my throat a little bit more. But the smell is lovely. Still, plum is my favorite.
So this is the Reserva. This is the one first aged in the big barrel and then in those small wine barrels from Tokaj. It has 40% of alcohol in it, and as I said, it's like Christmas, like gingerbread, clubs, but at the same time Unicum. It really stands out from all types of Unicum.
Let's try the most exclusive Unicum Reserva. Okay. I'm processing the flavor. It's very good. I can straight away taste it's stronger, right? Lots of different spices in there and ingredients. Sweetness to it. I like it. Very good.
I can smell a little bit more alcohol in this one. Yeah, it's a lot more pronounced. Let's try it. Oh, this is my favorite now. It's stronger, but it's smooth at the same time. Very, very subtle tone of licorice to it. Yeah, this is the best. It's probably the most complex, the most smooth, the most rich kind of flavor. At the same time, it's very smooth on the throat. It's very good. No wonder the bottles look so good.
Very exclusive.
So this place is another level because this is Unicum Treor. Now Unicum Treor is a special kind of Unicum. It's also new. The full name is Unicum Treor XO. XO means extra old, and it's because it's the original Unicum but aged for 10 years in oakwood barrels and then French oak barrels that were used to age brandy. So it's like this really aged version of the Unicum. It's in a whole another level of types of Unicum. So this drink is for those who can really appreciate, you know, the depth of a drink. It's really woody, like nuts and cinnamon and the wood and tobacco even. It's really special kind of Unicum. 2,000 to 3,000 bottles made each year, so it's a really limited amount. And it was the idea of Peter Zwack, so It's from 2013. This is the first 200 bottles. And the plan with these is that we don't have a plan with these. About 50 to 100 years, the next Zwack family generations will take it on and see what it tastes like.
From the royal remedy to national icon, Unicum is more than Hungary's most legendary spirit. It's a living, breathing piece of history. And there is no better place to experience it than right here, where it all began. If you find yourself in Budapest, make time and pay a visit to the House of Unicum. Wander through the past, witness the craft, and taste the legacy straight from the barrel. Because some stories aren't just meant to be told, they're meant to be sipped.